Do you Gua Sha at home, or do you even know what Gua Sha is? So Gua Sha has been around for centuries, and I like to think of it as a facial workout. It definitely helps to tone the skin. It helps with lifting of the skin. So I think it was a workout like lifting, tightening, and also helps with lymphatic drainage. So many more things, but I just want to do a quick video on how I do it at home. But first of all, I want to let you know just a couple little things here first. So Gua means, let's see, it's to scrape, and Sha means flow or like redness. So what we do is we use a tool like this. You've probably seen these around. I also sometimes will use a tool like this. This is the Amna by Jane Mann. I love this one. This one is for multiple things. Really good on working with the fascia. Here is a body one by Diamondia. I love this one for the bod. And then you can even use a wonton soup spoon. So you probably have things in your kitchen that you could use on yourself to Gua Sha at home. In Korea, they call it Gua Sha, which I thought was really pretty. Okay, so we cleansed our skin, and yes, I'm still working on my skin issues. I have good days and bad days with it, so we're just gonna roll with it and not talk about it anymore. What I like to do first is basically wake up the lymphatic system. So just do some pumping in here, waking it all up, waking up the lymphatic. So we're getting everything ready so it can start flowing. We wanna release toxins. And that's one of the many benefits of Gua Sha. I am just waking everything up here, even in the head, back of the head too. Ooh, it feels so good. Okay, again, I'm making this quick. Where are we? Oh, so you want to use like an oil. I have my oil by Little Seed Farm. This is the lavender oil, and I'll apply a couple drops of this on my face. And you know, since I have really sensitive skin, I'm probably gonna get red immediately. That is okay. That's what we're doing. Stimulating the flow. Okay, so I'll start out with this one just for fun so you can see all the little tools and how they work. I just like to, I'm applying light pressure here, and I'm just getting everything moving towards the lymphatic system, towards that armpit. Go down. You know what I'll do for this video? I'm just gonna do one side so you can see how it all works. So look, scraping, which is the Gua part, and you'll start seeing the Sha come through here any second. So that's with this tool. You can also do this. So what we're doing is we are moving upward and down. So we wanna lift, and then we want to release or get rid of all those toxins, so we're flowing it out. Does that make sense? Lift and then drain. So you can go 1, 2, 3, and then drain down. Get under the eyes. We're depuffing. Also helps with sinuses as well. So this is just like a workout. Like how I said, 1, 2, 3, and drain. 1, 2, 3, and drain. Flow, however you want to call it. You can hold here and work in here. Do a little fascia work, back and forth, and then drain. It's really easy. It's so relaxing. You can do it in the morning, you can do it at night. I like to do it at night when I'm watching TV, because then I feel like it's a twofer. And if you know me, you all know that I love a good twofer. The spoon. And I've only had this done on my whole body, and I should probably take off the sticker. I think this is clean, but anyway. Just take the spoon, and again, we're lifting, and then draining. Yeah, that would, if you use this part of the spoon on your face, that would probably be too much, but you could definitely use it on this part to scrape. So I had a whole body massage just using this, and she scraped me in the back. It felt so good, and I had red stripes for 2 days. So we got the Sha going, and she said we released a whole bunch of toxins and got that flow going. Anyway, again, just really quick, I wanted to show you how this done. how it's done. Again, I just kind of go 1, 2, 3, and then I drain. Always draining, lifting and draining. Sometimes you'll see people with a little bit right here. That's usually lymph. So you can take it and lift up. You can probably do this with a spoon and down. If you have any questions at all, please ask. A couple things I do have in the treatment room would be this and this, and I could help you find these, and I can also get these as well. Have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to hear your stories about gua sha for yourself as well. Thank you.